next up, UNLRA for Handshake. In this, we need to find intel and bring the UNLRA folder back to Handshake to complete this quest. You'll find this all the way on the far east side of the map over here in Tiger Bay. This is a super dangerous mission, and you'll need to find your way over to this little place in the refugee camp over here. I'd recommend coming along the beach, hopefully for the safest entry. Otherwise, finding a way through here, you're gonna have to get rid of pretty much everything in this area to get to just here. It's possible solo, but incredibly difficult. Anyways, when you get to this top right tent over here, head across to this table, and on this table, you should find the blue intel document that you need to pick up and take back to Handshake. Once you have it, you can put it in your back pocket for safekeeping and just get out of here the fast way or the slow way. Anyways, when you take it back to spawn, you can hand it in and you're practically done with the quest. This is a super dangerous area. Anyways, hopefully this video helped you. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.